Hi, my name is Justin, the all-knowing. I'm back at it like a cracked addict, and you're watching me vacuum out a dishwasher. This is Maintenance Life, brought to you by On My Butt Maintenance. Here we go. We got that water up. Creep that up like that. No. You gotta stay up so I can keep the hose from falling down. Alright, let's see what I got down up in here. Down up in here. Seeing much? Crack. No, it's supposed to be there. I hope I didn't vacuum up that little ball. Looks like I need a screwdriver. We'll have to get a screwdriver. And we're back. Let's see what we got down in here. Oh, I got the wrong. Do I get the wrong size? I got the wrong size. Let's check this bad boy out. That's the correct size. Now there is a cloggity clog. What I should have done was just change out the door, change out one of the racks, and then put a wheel on a different rack, and then said it was good. Have the next guy come along and do this. That's the way it used to get done. And then when the guy goes, I want to supervise it. And there it is. It's a little clogged up. Alright, I have to get it, rinse it out. Oh, clog up in there. Get it rinsed out. Alright. It looks like little bits of hair and food is what it is. That's it. Let's wash the shit out. I'll start setting it together. Let's dump out the other water. washing it. It's a dishwasher. Just needs to put it back together and test it. Like I got it. And that's how you do it. Let's test this bad boy. Sounds like it's feeling good. Okay, no problem with the feel part. Until it gets a little bit more water in there. While we're at it, let's look around this. It's a one bedroom. Turned this a while back. Oh wait, this is the two bedroom I turned a while back. I think it was a one bedroom. Oh, shows how much I know. And that's what we're waiting for. It's the drain part. Come on, start draining. Should be draining here in a second. There it goes. Oh, that's right. Still have a lot of water in the line. That was it. Sounds good to me. And my name's Justin the All-Knowing. Back at it like a correct addict. There you have, working on a dishwasher.